Once upon a time, in the deep jungles of India, there lived a boy named Mowgli. He was abandoned by his parents when he was just a baby and was found by a black panther named Baghera. Baghera took Mowgli to a pack of wolves and convinced them to take care of him. Mowgli grew up in the jungle, surrounded by the wild animals that looked after him. He learned to communicate with them and lived a carefree life, playing and hunting with the wolves and other animals. But there was one animal that always had an eye on Mowgli: Shere Khan, the fierce and menacing tiger. Shere Khan hated humans and